Hello, future coders. Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. Your one stop to go from absolute newbie to coding pro. Whether you want to build apps, crack coding interviews, or become software developer engineer, this course has got your back. We are breaking it down into 12 power-packed topics, each with short, easy to understand videos so you can learn fast and code faster. Throughout this course, we will cover 12 key topics, each divided into short, focused lessons to ensure effective learning. Topic 1: Programming Fundamentals. Understand the basics and build a strong foundation. Topic 2: Beyond the Fundamentals. Enhance your skills and dive deeper into core concepts. Topic 3: Object Oriented Design. Learn how to structure and organize your code effectively. Topic 4 and 5: Algorithms and data structures. Master problem solving techniques used in real world applications. Topic 6: Design patterns. Improve code efficiency and maintainability. Topic 7: Databases. Learn how to store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. Topic 8: Memory, pointers, and garbage collection. Optimize your programs for better performance. Topic 9: APIs and web services. Understand how applications communicate and integrate with each other. Topic 10: Secure coding. Write secure and robust applications. Topic 11: Test driven development. Develop high quality error free code. Topic 12: Software testing and QA. Ensure software reliability through testing methodologies. Each topic is designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply immediately. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and confidence to take on real world programming challenges. Thanks for watching.